These are communities, these are homes, these are districts. The flood situation in the Volta region, especially the southern part of Volta, is getting worse as a result of Akosombo Dam spillage. The impacts along the southern Volta, especially Saftong district area, the various communities, all the affected areas. One, Vume, Tadema, Tefle, Sope Todoma, Anasukope, Fievie, Adidokpe, Holochukope, Aduafia Nyakope, Sugakope, Benokope, the Chaume, Agodome, Yove, Agota, Ponte, Nteko, Dalive, Tuanikope, Amedomekope, Gamanu, Adido Kwe, Avegome, Agome, Taje, Asidovi, Amuto, Gojokota, Agave Afedume, Ziwenu, Ajake, Chachukofe, Beve, Agbeve, Ali, Kekope. These areas are so far known, apart from the areas, even part of Anglon, Keta, are also affected by this dam spillage, Akosombo Dam spillage, and the situation is getting out of hand. It is very severe. This has never occurred in history before. History has never recorded this. And this is the first time something like this is happening. And people cannot trace their homes. People cannot trace their buildings. As it stands now, people are homeless. And watch, it's very terrible. It is very, very, very terrible. The situation is very, very terrible. And a lot of people cannot, trace their homes. They don't, yes. And this has never happened since time immemorial. And the situation is, we are fighting climate change, and these are some of the climate actions. These are some of the climate actions, very severe, very terrible, that you are seeing in the video, which has never occurred in history before. So, and even this, that many people are going through, they have been affected by this spillage or flood. Believe you me, some people will also take advantage over this situation and eat on the head of the affected people. But why should it be so? No, this
agave zenu nkemile miwasi tongo vie mi ho katapio nke mi koi okay mu via fi mu nke lu mu voare ko lu e se nkemile mi pa se ho ge katapio la ba de fifio bele easy mede de mikra jo katapio dike wa ke ko ji pili o fonkie pili o fonkie pala ma ngoma ai da katapio ngongo kulmi vuvu da po mi fie mi katapio mi wasi tongo ta mi o ko katapio ta ni akpele ni tina ni na jiru do na ware mi mo yo fie la mi ga mi ga da mi viu kle mi o sro la mi o ho han ke ju ke mi viu de ke mi akpele mi kia ya nya ho e ma ni ma si tongo le ma mi to bo tonke ga gba fiu ya to e go be bu o gble and what I feel blessed. Oh, when things like this happen, katafi ba Volta meti be gudi ga ti be gudi no te da kwala ko to trasa ho kwa ya be si ya ne do la yi yeah man
to enrich themselves.
o katafi nkeju
So it's very wrong.
o katafi
Yes, I
nkeju
am actually sending
katafi
this
video
across
mais
the
katafi
globe.
condemn you ngo ge te pe bien la si te ya ma ti ago se Porsche ati o ko support Porsche you na be ngo ge gen ala ni no me ka ne ha ne condemn kana mi
We help
point
these people in a time like this.
yeah e condemn
They need
yeah
help.
ma bi aju fi ngo bi o ma
Actually, they need
ko to katafi kaka
yes, it is
wala si komi ati o la
seeing family
wala si komi
members,
ati o
seeing
la
loved ones,
ya mi o ge
seeing
le fi
other people.
mi le
We
si
are all
fra
one. As a matter of
na
fact, we
gbele mi
all
fi ya
came through one Adam and one
ma
Eve.
nye la ke
Yes.
mi nya ke no ge
From
mi ala
time of
e
creation.
ke ta mi vi o ku ba
So
to ni
there is
e ko
no
ma to ge mi
need
ala
seeing
Yeah,
one
yeah,
another
yeah.
as
Yeah, me
different
like put them
people
there,
or
I buy.
different persons.
I
We
got
should
me to
rather
you know I
see from the perspective of
don't care
or
for
the
si
angle
fifi
of
shake
one
your
Adam,
green
one
adom
Eve that we all came
shake your green adom ta
to
fi
this world.
ni ba
But
mi
one
mi ta
God,
order by force
so that we
ni nya
can
do ha ka wona ka ma luka
extend a
you
helping
come out order
hand
by force
to a brother,
ta le nya pe mi
sister,
ni pe mi tu a ma no
somebody
ni
who is in this
Ma
mess,
yo
who is in this
gra
challenging period of time, this hard time of
ma
time,
da gele mi
where we
gra
need to come together and then
if you me to you kwale ko tu a ti ko an ga ko kla ye ka ga wi aga wi ni
though it is
asamu
not
ko
easy in a
an
time
ga
like
ko
this.
ye kra ga wi ni asamu ko
Time like this,
ye
it
nya
is
ko
not easy for anybody
ni ke
anywhere,
fi
but
e
the
ga ka
little
me
that
mi o
we
mu tu
can
ta mi e ka ta fi o
do
hu
to
ti ba to
support, the little that we
ye
can
ku mi o fi mi ku
offer
mi si a ku mi ga
save
ga
a
ko
life
do an ke
somewhere
na bi we ti e
is very
du ro ko
necessary.
si mo le
It's very,
an
very,
ma
very
ro kan
encouraging.
e
That
ta
is
mi
what
pe
we
mi
should
ti si
do
a
more about.
se fe
Yes,
fi e
and
ku
not
so nke mi
helping
le
the
ti e
people die. The
se fe
more,
fi e ku so
yes.
ta ge
I
ka
don't
ta
want
fi
to mention
o
some organization or some people
o
when
condemn
things
fi
like
if you
this happen, they use other people's name, collecting money, collecting
o condemn fi o
items on
yinki
the affected or the victim,
yinki
people who are
ya na
victimized.
mi ko fi e ma ka mi ga
They
gbina ko na
use
mo ta ka
their
me mi so e ta mi
details
na government na pe
to
mi ti
get all these things for their
fi
selfish
fi
gains or interest. But the narrative have to change. This time around, let's see beyond that.